Hello, bonjour, and bonjour, everyone. I'm Hallie. You know what I hear? I think that's Cody Doubtful back from hibernation.
Hi, Hallie. I missed everyone so much.
So excited to have you back for another summer of crafting. Do you know what we're doing today?
I'm not sure. Building a rocket ship? Making an invisible suit? Making the world's biggest beach ball? Oh, I give up.
That's okay. Today we're building farm animal bookmarks.
Farm animals? I love farm animals. They're so cute.
In this bag, you should have an instruction sheet, some ears, some glue, some paint, some pink paint, two popsicle sticks, four googly eyes, a pink button, and a brown colored button. You may also need a black marker and a paintbrush. Let it dry, why don't we clean up a little bit? After drying, this is what your popsicle sticks should look like. I'm going to take Cody's away. And we're going to draw some spots on the white one to represent the cow spots. Use your black marker and draw some spots. I think that's enough spots for me. Once your spots are all done, let's attach all the other things that need to be attached. Here are the eyes. I'm going to attach the eyes using glue. So attach all the other things. Going to attach the noses. and the ears. Ta-da! That was really fun. Did you like it, Cody?
Yeah, now I'm ready for a summer of reading. Thanks, friends, for following along.
If you did our craft today, tag us on our Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter account. And don't forget to sign up for the TD Summer Reading Program.
I can't wait to see all your bookmarks.
I bet that this has made a mess. It certainly has here. Why don't we sing the cleanup song? Making this craft was really fun. Let's all sing the cleanup song. Clean up, clean up.
Everybody clean up, clean up, clean up. Let's all put our stuff away.